In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create engaging videos using Canva. This is a great tool for anyone looking to add a bit of flair to their content, whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner just starting out. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's dive right in. First up, let's navigate over to your Canva main menu. If you're new to Canva, this is your creative headquarters. You'll find all sorts of design options here, from social media graphics to brochures. But today, our focus is on creating videos. The interface is user-friendly and intuitive, so even if it's your first time, you'll feel right at home. Once you're in the main menu, the next step is to find and click the Create button. This is where the magic begins. After clicking Create, you'll see various format options appear. Canva offers formats to suit different platforms, such as landscape videos, perfect for YouTube, or something for more mobile-centric platforms like Facebook and Instagram Reels. For this demonstration, we'll choose the landscape format because it's versatile and widely used. When you decide on your format, just give it a click and you'll be taken to the editing canvas where you can start bringing your vision to life. Now with your blank canvas in front of you, it's time to unleash your creativity. Canva offers a plethora of tools to help you design and create your video. You can add text, choose colorful backgrounds, insert animations, and layer various elements to craft a stunning visual story. The drag and drop feature makes it incredibly easy to position everything just how you want it. You'll find endless possibilities with the range of templates and design elements at your fingertips. Feel free to experiment and have fun with it. This is your chance to let your creativity run wild. Once you're satisfied with your video and you've previewed it to ensure everything is in place, it's time to save your project. To do this, look towards the top of the screen and click on the Share button. A drop-down will appear. Select the download option here. You'll see a list of file types, but for videos, you'll want to choose MP4. It's the most compatible video format for various platforms, and it ensures that your visual quality stays intact. Go ahead and click on MP4 video and then hit Download one more time. The processing might take a moment, especially if your video has a lot of intricate details and animations, and just like that, you're done. You've created a video using Canva, and it's ready to be shared with the world. Congratulations. Whether you're planning to upload this masterpiece to a social media platform, integrate it into a presentation, or simply keep it as part of your personal portfolio, you're now equipped with the skills to keep creating. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and happy creating.